Have you ever been in a situation where you've had something happen, some life event happen, maybe divorce or illness, or maybe you know someone else who has, and it has suddenly happened out of the blue. You weren't expecting it, or they weren't expecting it, and then suddenly life changed forever. Well, that happened to me when I was in my late 50s, and I'm now 67. My husband suddenly asked for a divorce. Now, to be honest with you, you know, we were dealing with some difficult stuff, but that is not what I thought he'd do. And once he'd made up his mind, you know, that was it. He was done. So I had to just accept that that's how it was, and you know, make a life for myself from there. But the thing about being married, I don't know whether you're married or whether you're divorced, or maybe you're going through divorce, is that everything changes. You know, everything, you know, obviously, new home, if you've got children, you know, it's a really big deal, setting up a life somewhere else. And, you know, for me, I expect it to last forever. And I think that's what we could be brought up with, that happy ever after thing, isn't it? Anyway, I earned money myself. I had an income coming in, but it certainly wasn't enough to fund a lifestyle. And also, I didn't have any pension whatsoever, and that is a problem, because I knew that without a pension there would not be enough money for me to have the lifestyle that I wanted. So I realised that I needed to create another source of income, but I wanted it to fit around what I was already doing. You know, I've been working as an actor for a long time, for over 40 years, and I really wanted to be able to carry on doing that. I also work as an EFT practitioner, which is a tapping technique, and a life coach, and I wanted to carry on having clients, but I needed something that was going to be flexible. Didn't know what it could be, didn't know what else I could do, didn't really have any other skills. You know, I learned to be an actor, you know, I can do that. So I needed something else. And I think that's the thing. Fortunately, a friend of mine told me that I could show people, like she did, how to turn an expense, so something I was already buying, nutrition, skincare, that kind of thing, makeup, just like this, into an income. I could use it myself. I knew it was brilliant. I've been using it for over 10 years now, and love the results. Clean, results driven, doesn't harm the planet, won't harm my health. And I could show other people how to do the same thing. After all, you know, a lot of women are using makeup, most people are using skincare, and a lot of people are taking nutrition now. So they realise the importance of investing in their health, things like nourishing the gut. So even though I knew nothing about it, that's what I decided to do. And do that around everything else I was doing, you know, just slot it in. And I have to say, it's one of the best decisions I've ever made. I mean, I love the products. Really, I started to do it because I wanted the income, and it's given me some freedom and some choices. So if you're looking for freedom and choices, or you don't want to be in a situation like I was in, where suddenly everything changes, then why not drop me a heart in the comments. Have a great day, evening. Thanks for watching.